Hey everyone, thanks for stopping back for a new video. In this one I'm going to show you how to set up an email account on your Blackberry device. The device I'm using is a US Cellular Blackberry Torch, the 9850, and the operating system that's currently on it is the 7.0. So there's no email addresses currently set up. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by clicking the Messages tab, and it's going to pull up this screen. From here in the bottom left corner, we're going to click the Messages button, or the Compose button. It gives you your choice of your different options here, and what we're going to do is we're going to tap Email, obviously, and then this is just letting us know that there's no email addresses currently set up on the device. So once we click OK, it's going to check for updates, and then it's going to go directly to the email setup option. In the very beginning, you had to put in an email address for the Blackberry ID, so that's what's going to pop up here in a sec. Okay, so what I did is I already typed in my password. We'll just see if we can paste it here. Paste. Okay, and then all you're going to have to do is type in your email address and your password. If it's a Gmail account, if it's Yahoo, a lot of the major email providers, you're not going to have to put in your port information or server incoming and outgoing addresses or anything like that. It just finds them. So once you get everything all situated, your username and password, or your email address and password all typed in, you just click Continue. Then it goes through, processes everything. It takes a few seconds here, and then it's going to say, here's everything. Everything's all set up. You're good to go. It's going to take about 20 minutes for it to kick in. Then you can choose down here. This is technically a Gmail account, so it's allowing me to sync my calendar and my contacts if I'd like. And then also here, this is something that I see a lot. If you want to maybe put your name and the company you work for and other contact information in the signature of your emails, you would change that right here. So you would just click Change Settings, click on this box, and then just delete away. And then you can type in something like thank you. And comma. And then okay, we'll go back here and we'll change that to a capital T. Alright, so now whenever we send an email address or an email to somebody, it's going to put that at the very end. So we'll just click Save. And then if you want to sync your calendar and contacts, which in this case I do, we'll just click Continue. Give it a sec here to do everything. And get the luxury of staring at the white screen for a little while. And there we go. So if you want to go through and set up anything else, you can just click down the bottom here that you want to set up another email address. Click it. It's going to give you your options. Gmail, AOL, you know, all the big ones. If it's something like TDS, where it looks exactly like Gmail, you would want to set that up as a Gmail account. Other than that, you would, maybe if it's a charter or something like that, you would click Other, and then you would type in the information just like you did. So that's pretty much all that there is to it. If you have a enterprise server through your work, that's something that your IT department would set up. There's an activation code needed and it has to be put on their server. But if you're just setting up a personal email account, that's exactly how you do it. So if you have any questions, feel free to stop in the store or visit us at amscellular.com.